Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make passport size photo in mobile, or you can say how to make professional formal attire photo for your LinkedIn profile, for your resume in just one click. It's very easy guys, just watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, you don't need to go any photo studio or any place to take a photo. All you have to do is just take a selfie with a white background, or you can just take a picture with a white wall background. Simple. After taking picture, just open any photo editing app you have, or you can just use your mobile's default app. I'm opening the picture. Okay, we're just going to crop this picture as a passport size. Just click on tools. I'm using Snapseed app for this editing, and simply click on crop tool, and simply click on square, this option, and adjust your photo according to it. Okay, once it's done, just click on apply and simply save this picture. Now next step, now just go to the Play Store app, open the Play Store app, click on search bar, simply search ChatGPT and simply install this app. Click on install. App is installed successfully. Now next step, just open ChatGPT app, click on open. You will see this interface. Now just click on continue. First we are going to sign up or log in. For that, just click on the sign up symbol, and if you are new here, you can just sign up, or if you have any Google account, you can just log in with it. I'm just logging with it with my Google account, so I'm clicking on Google, continue with Google. Select your account and login process done. Now next step, now we are going to insert our photo. Insert a photo, just click on this photo symbol and open the picture we just cropped before. Your picture is loading. After loading the picture, just click on ask anything. Just paste this prompt I have mentioned here. Convert this photo into a formal passport size portrait. Dress the person in a clean plain color blazer. If you want design, you can add design here. For example, I don't want no design, so I'm giving it a light shirt with a tie. You can adjust, you can modify this prompt if you want tie or if you want t-shirt. And use a solid blue background. If you want a blue background, just keep it. If you want red, green, you can change it from here. Make the image sharp, well, and suitable for a professional or official use. Maintain natural skin tone and hairstyle. After typing this prompt, just click on this arrow. You can copy paste this prompt. Just check the pin comment. It's loading. It takes few seconds. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. And don't forget to check out our WhatsApp and Telegram group for the editing stuff. Link given in description. And here is our final result. And to save the picture, just tap on the picture, click on save, this option.